Hey everybody, Reich Polo Tech here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on replacing the tail light on my vintage 2006 Toyota Highlander with 319,000 miles on it. Anyways, guys, if you find this video helpful or useful, please share it with your friends, share it with everybody. And also check out my other videos and please subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, let's get down to it. All right, so a friend told me that I have a tail light out, and obviously I don't have another person with me right now to be able to depress the brake to show which light is out. So I have a little trick that I use when I don't have anybody to help me tell me exactly which one it is. I take a scraper with a brush on it like this, put the scraper end on the foot pedal, and I wedge it in here in the front like that, and that keeps that brake pedal depressed. So then I come to the back here and I can tell which tail light is out. Obviously we can tell it's the top one over here because that one's much brighter down there, bright on top and bottom there. So we know it's this light bulb over here. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is pop open the back hatch. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here because I use my car for work and everything else, but we're going to reach around the inside here and pop these two little tabs right here, pop this little hatch off. And the bulb that we're going to be needing to get to is this one here, right up top. Now, it's going to be hard for me to get in there and show you, but basically it just barely turns to the left, like an eighth of a turn. That's it. So from there to there, not even a quarter of a turn, and this light bulb will pop out. So let me get out here, see if I can show you. If you look really close to there, you can see that the filament is broken on the tiny thin one at the top. This is the light bulb that we're going to be replacing. It goes in this little carrier and it screws into the socket over there. But to get this light bulb out of the carrier, all you do is you pop it straight out. So literally it just comes straight out, doesn't twist or turn. And the one that we're replacing it with is a 7443 tail light bulb. And I will put a link in the description below. Check it out if you need it. One thing I want to suggest is that you use a paper towel or a napkin or a tissue or something to hold the new light bulb so you don't get the oil from your fingertips on the new bulb and possibly shorten its lifespan. Then the next thing you do is take the little carrier piece, like I said, and it just slides straight in till it kind of snaps in like that. The next thing you do is you take the little carrier in the bulb, stick it up in the hole there, turn it till you hear it settle down just a little bit, and then like an eighth of a turn more, and it's done. So it'll turn around until it falls into like little slots. So it's simply just this, from there to there, that's it. Now I'm just gonna go back up to the front, wedge my scraper back on my brake pedal here, and then check and see if all my brake lights are working. Good and good. Next, take your cover, pop it in. So there you have it. Guys, I hope if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Tell everybody about it. Also, subscribe to my channel, please. Check out my other videos. I have other Highlander videos and lots of other videos up there. And check out the links in the description. Guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.